Hello folks, I finally have a Kofi page. Kofi, how do you pronounce it? What's a Kofi page, you may ask? Well, it's a place where delightful people like your good self can donate small amounts of money to poor, wretched writers like me. Hang on, you continue, folding your arms and narrowing your eyes. You've written films and had books published by big publishers. Shouldn't you be loaded? Yes, I should. But I was paid for the film Unwelcome 3 years ago. Almost to the day, in fact, and that was the equivalent of 2 years' salary of my old job. And because Warner Brothers did such a limp effort of promoting it, it will never earn its budget back, and I'll never get the 50 grand of my fee that I deferred just before filming. Won't make that mistake again. Nautilus, the Disney Plus TV show that was my idea, has been filmed, as in post-production, but has also just been dropped by Disney. So I won't be seeing any money from that soon. And yes, I have been published by the likes of Simon & Schuster. That's all very wonderful, but it wasn't a huge advance, and I'm on what they call a joint accounting contract, which in short means I don't start earning royalties until the first 3 books have earned out the advance. It's all very complicated, and it basically means I'm not getting any money from those books anytime soon. And also yes, I have been self-publishing a few of my books, which means I get more money per book sold, but it's also a really expensive business and turning out to be a bit of a money pit. So anyway, if you like my stuff and you've bought all the books and seen the films, then do please consider dropping £3 in the Kofi tip jar. I reckon if 231 of you do it, I might just be able to pay my overdraft off. I'll also be popping all my blog posts and other exclusive bits and bobs over on Kofi too, so it won't just be me panhandling. Pop over and have a look. There'll be a link below.